How to fix Google Chrome crashing issue on Windows 10. To fix Google Chrome crashing issue on the latest version of Windows 10, try 1. Repair Google Chrome by running the setup file as admin. 2. Enable sync in Chrome for your personal data, like history, bookmarks, passwords, etc. 3. Close, then reopen your Chrome browser. 4. Backup, then delete local state file at %localapp.a%\google\chrome/user data. Plan B, rename the user data folder at %localapp.a%\google/chrome/user data. 5. Remove, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall Chrome. Last but not least, keep your Chrome up to date.